What can you expect from this course? You can expect to learn how to use Chat GPT to start different side hustles. Here is one thing no one tells you about getting older. When you get older, a lot of the things that were important in your life will disappear. Raising the kids, going to your 9 to 5 job, enjoying travel, a lot of these things will disappear. And when they fade away, you will have what is left is your dreams, the dreams you didn't follow up on. And so this course is to help you follow your dreams and find easier ways to achieve it. And so it is to help you get past your roadblocks, such as your fear of failure or any other issue you might have, such as a lack of resource or a lack of knowledge or a lack of time. Because when you get older, you're going to realize that a lot of the things that you used to prioritize aren't there anymore. And now you're wondering if you can follow your dreams. And at any age you can, and any day you decide to, you can. And this course helps you to find a way to follow those dreams. And as such, it shows you how ChatGPT makes it all possible through easy setups. It does all the research, it puts the information together, and basically leaves the editing to you. And so I went on to ask in ChatGPT why people don't follow their dreams, why they don't start businesses, why don't they try. And ChatGPT went on to say that when you have a family or when you're starting out, you prioritize stability. And after these things fade, such as you get laid off or your family grows up and they move away from you and start supporting themselves, you start seeing the importance of following the dreams that you never did before and you start taking risk. Some people start early and some people start late, and this course is here to show you that AI will help you start whenever possible and you can use it to start your side hustle or your business and to really jump on that train of it's possible to follow your passion. And so that is the expectation that you can have going into this course. You will learn how AI will automate and make efficient and optimize your abilities to serve a group of people through the internet or through face to face if that is your preference. And as such, you can use this AI to go ahead and follow your dreams, start that business, start that side hustle, and how to get into it. And know that at any age it is possible for you. People have done it at 51, at 77, artistry, book writing, all the above. And of course, you can do this with ChatGPT, and OpenAI has begun to open this up to offering different services. So whichever you're inclined to, you can. Now we are focusing on ChatGPT, which is the language model of the Open AI set. But this set has been open to image generation and social media aspects through the whole idea that you can integrate open AI applications into different realms to achieve different things. So now you can use this on your social media to create chat boxes. You can use it to interpret data different ways and avoid coding to create pretty much anything for somebody who is so inclined. And so it's expected that going throughout this course will show you different ways that you can use these applications to go about creating some form of income using the internet or a digital product or whatever is on your mind. You can also expect to not feel that your fear of starting out or your age is a barrier because you can always learn this technology and interact with it. And at any age, or a day at a time, you can go ahead and follow your dreams and just start. And so this course is just about helping you find a way to just start and to hop into it. So there is no limitation. You don't need to come into this course with anything. Notice I'm putting questions into the app and it's generating the answers, and it's letting me feel less scared. When I asked it why people don't start a side hustle and they don't follow their dreams, the answers were pretty much the same. And so we are here to help you get past that objection that you have to starting a business, those fears, and just to see how ChatGPT is an application that can help you get started on whatever it is. We'll be looking at side hustles that are based on writing, some are based on no coding, others are based on art. And as I said, OpenAI is opening its software to different technologies. So when you sign in, you might notice three instead of one options. Previously, when you open it, it would just give you a GPT. Now it gives you the Wally, and it also gives you a software application. So you can take this chat box and integrate it with any app or any system you want to create something that people would like to use. And of course, promotion is all up to you, and you're very capable of doing that. And once you would have to go into documenting your process of setting the stuff up, building relationships with people, and telling stories and becoming the go to person. And once people trust you, you can then go ahead and really have a business established and set up, and it can be in whatever field it is. And just know that AI helps you from setup to automation to maintaining and sustainability, having something that is around from year to year and will meet any demographic needs. Of course, some things are more essential than others. Whatever it is, you can start, you can try, and we will show you how in this course.